औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. Dear students, today our topic is how to add 5-digit numbers. This topic is on page number 18. Addition of 5-digit numbers. Question is that for each of these estimate the answer, then work it out. Find when you have worked out the answer, check it against your estimate. What is estimation? Estimation means to take a round figure about any number which is given to you. Either it is some very close to the round figure or from very far to the round figure or in between the round figure. The first question of page number 18, A part of question number 1. A part 12853 3. Then second is 15633. We have to add. According to question, first of all we have to estimate our question. This is 12,853. 12,800. 800 means this is very close to the 13,000, so I will take this figure as 13,000. Then 15,633. 600, this is also above the mid value. Mid value is 15,500, but here the number is given 15,600, so this figure will be taken as 16,000. Add 0, 0, 0, 6 and 3, 9 and 1 and 2. So the estimated value of the given question is 29,000. Now I have to work out for this question. 3 plus 3 6, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 6 14, 4, 1 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 28,486, whereas estimated value is 29,000. So you can see the difference between two is the very minute difference between 28,486 and 29,000. This is how to solve the question number 1. Then I am going to solve part G for you. The numbers are 85454, then 65412, then 74564, then 33001. Before solving this question, we have to estimate our question. This is 85,400. This 4 will tell you that this value is below the mid value, so I have to take the previous number of the round figure, which is 85,000. Then 65,400. Again this 4 tell you the previous number 65,000. Then 74,564. This is in mid value. Now it's your own choice, either you have to go forward or come backward. So 75,000 and then 33,000. Addition 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 10, 10 and 5, 15, 15 and 3, 18. This is 8, 1 carry. 8 and 1, 9, 9 and 6 is 15, 15 and 7, 22, 22 and 3, 25. This is 258,000. Now let's calculate our original answer. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 and 4, 10, 10 and 1, 11. 1, 1 carry. 5 and 1, 6, 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 6, 13, 3, 1 carry. 4 and 5, 5 and 4, 9, 9 and 5, 14, 1 carry. 5 and 1 6, 6 and 5 11, 11 and 4 15, 15 and 3 18, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 9, 9 and 6 15, 15 and 7 22, 22 and 3 25. So you can see that our estimated value is 258,000, whereas our calculated value is 258,431. There is a minute difference between both of these values. This is the mechanism how to solve the question number 1 on page number 18. Now moving on, page number 19. Page number 19, question number 2. Statement of the question is, what is 37934 added to 86008. What is this added to this? We have to find addition because there is a word of addition. Added 86008 and 37934. Add 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4, 9 plus 0 9, 6 plus 7 13, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 9, 9 and 3 12. This is your answer. Remaining 3 parts you have to solve by yourself. This is question number 2. Then question number 3. Different numbers are given. First number is 35526, then 18545, then 80009, then 10984, and the last one is 45928. Statement A is, what is the total of all even numbers? As you know that even number are those numbers which have value or table of 2 at their end or multiples of 2 like 6, 4 and 8. So A part is we have to find out the sum of all even numbers. So 3, 5, 5, 2, 6, then 10984 and then 45982. Add 6 4 10, 10 and 2 12, 1 carry. 8 and 2 10, 11, 11 and 8 19, 1 carry. 5 and 1 6, 6 and 9 15, 15 and 9 24, 2 carry. 5 and 2 7, 7 and 5 12, 1 carry. Then 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 and 4 9. So the sum of all even numbers is 92492. B part of the question is find out the sum of all odd numbers. All odd numbers are those numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at their end. So this is your odd number and this is your odd number. 1, 8, 5, 4, 5, 8, 0, 0, 0, 9. Add 5 plus 9 14, 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5, 5, 8, 8 and 1 9. This is how to find out the sum of all even numbers of the given question. So students, this is your today's lecture of addition of 5-digit numbers. Now on page number 20, a set of 3 numbers are given. You have to solve this question by your own on your copy. Now homework. Page number 18. Question number 1 on book. Page number 19. Question number 2 on rough copy. Question number 3 on rough copy of page number 19, and lastly page number 20. Question number 1 on rough copy. Three pages I have given for the homework. So students, I hope after watching this video you are able to find out the estimated value, you are able to find out the calculated value, and how to find out the difference and between the calculated and estimated value, and how to solve the statement question of 5-digit numbers. So students, keep working. Allah Hafiz.